Hello, come on in.
Hiya.
What's your name?
Amelia Francis.
How are you?
Good.
What have you decided to sing for us today and why?
I've decided to sing Live Out Loud from Little Princess because the character can be quite sassy sometimes.
Are you quite sassy?
I'm sassy.
Yeah. We're ready to listen.
That's true. I'm excited.
I don't want to go along with the crowd. Don't want my spirit broken and bowed. Why do I have to hide what I'm feeling inside? I want to live out loud. Don't want to be.
It's just amazing. I didn't know she could do that.
And she's never done anything like this before.
No.
Give me the wings of a bird. I'll be seen and be heard. I want to live out loud.
Yes! You have got a really big voice.
Big voice, great choice. Diolch yn fawr.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Diolch.